Okay, so before joining myEcon, I just was, a single mom of 3, going to work every day, and I found myself always needing to make a little bit extra, and I found myself in between jobs, and things got a little critical for me financially, and I found myself facing foreclosure at my home. And I was in other businesses trying to make things work, but it just wasn't quite hitting the way I expected it to. So a friend of mine told me I should take a look at something. And I told her, quite honestly, I'm not interested in looking at nothing else. I'm burnt out. I just don't want to do it. She said, sis, I really need you to take a look at this. So I took a look at it. And I said, you know something, I need to do this because right now I'm critical. Things are critical at my home. I'm getting foreclosure notices. The sheriff even came to my house. Well, I joined myEcon. I did my income shifting, and within my first 6 weeks of business, I made over $4,600 and was able to take that money, add it to what I already had, and paid $9,500 to my mortgage company and stopped my foreclosure. So myEcon rescued me. It saved my life. And ever since then, I have just been telling everybody I know about the power of this little hidden gem that still so many people don't know about. So if you're not in myEcon, you need to get in myEcon, because I can promise you, even though you may not actually be in it, you're in it. You're just not really in myEcon, all right? So I just want to encourage you that if I can do it, if you're facing a hardship, if you're facing a crisis, if you know somebody who is facing a crisis, this is the company you need to pair yourself up with, because like it rescued me, I'm certain, I'm confident it can rescue you too.